Hello everyone, today we will write a program. So suppose we have a string, so how many alphabets are repeating in it? So for that we will write a program. So I have already created one CS file for it. So let's get started. So first thing which is required for this program is just a string. So take any string. I'm using this as string. So and you can use any other. It's up to you. And next step will be to normalize it, so convert it into lowercase, so whatever character we have will come in lowercase, and also use replace method to remove all the space from the string. Our next step will be character counting, so for that we will use a dictionary and it will store each character and its corresponding count. My dictionary name is char count, and next step is for counting logic. For that we will use for each loop, and we will apply condition which is if character already exists in dictionary, if it exists then its count is incremented, and if it doesn't exist in dictionary then it will add the character to the dictionary with a count of 1. So this is our main logic. Next we will just print one line. So in console.writeLine we will just write repeat alphabet count is. This is just because if we get the string in the output string, so it will easily clarify the things. Next is we'll use the for each loop. Here I am using where item, and my condition is if item value is greater than 1, then in console.writeLine, 1. So then in console.writeLine we will print the item key as well as the item value as per the iteration. So I will write alphabet this first bracket I will use it for item key is repeated, second bracket curly braces times. Now I will write item dot key and second bracket I will write item dot value. That's it. Now I will save it. I will execute this program. Let's see. So as you can see in the console, how many alphabets are repeated how many times, it is showing in this output. See, as per our string, H is coming 2 times, E is also coming 2 times, L 2 times, O 3 times. Yeah, there is one more. Yeah, and R is 2 time in brother. So this is working perfectly. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.